guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you are updated whenever I upload. Today I'm doing a natural full face makeup for you guys, and I'm going to start off using the Every Hue Beauty Duo Concealer just to correct underneath my eyes, and then go in with my NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I love this foundation. It gives such good coverage, but then you can still see your skin and look kind of glowy at the same time. So you get the best of both worlds. I don't like a lot of makeup. And then I am going to go in with my NYX HD Concealer, and this is in the shade 07. And blending that out with my beauty blender. Make sure you get right underneath the eyes and blend out any creases before you go in and set. So to set this, I am gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and this is in this shade 30. Sometimes I mix 30 and 40 together, just depend on the season. And I'm just gonna go underneath the eyes and sculpt around my mouth and my chin. These are the points that I want to stick out a little bit more. I do underneath my lips because it gives me a little bit of a wider mouth and makes it look a little bit more plump. Here I am using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze, and this is going to help me to sculpt out and bronze up and just set for whatever I'm going to put on top of it. And I'm blending that out with a Cosetti brush. Here I am setting the rest of my face, or dusting off the setting powder with the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Press Powder in the shade Dark. This lovely bronzer blush highlight trio that you're seeing right here, this is the Pixie Glow Cake and Pink Champagne Glow. And then I am blending that out with a beauty blender just to kind of make it look like my skin is glowing from within. This beautiful red liner I've had for a while, and this is kind of like my go-to liner. This is Jordana Sedona Red, and it's a twist up liner, and it's very nice and very creamy, and it lasts a long time. And then I'm gonna top that off and fill in my lips using the Pixie Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Real Red. I love their liquid lipsticks. They don't crack or dry out your lips or anything like that. So on top of that Pixie Glow Cake, I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Artisan Color Bake Bronzer. And this is in the shade Flawless, just to give me a little bit more of a golden touch. I'm applying that on my cheekbones and underneath my brow. And I'm also going to apply this in my inner corners just to open up the eye just a little bit. Now going back into that Pixie Glow Cake, I am taking the brown shade and I'm just going to dust that all over the mobile lid. It's not too brown, just a little bit frosty. And then going into the Ebony Bronze and applying that into the crease, give me a little bit of depth. And these are Lily Lash in Miami, and this is typical me. Set it all with some fixing spray, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I went out, so I have no lashes on. I took them off. I'm not really a lash girl. I like my own natural lashes. I am interested on getting lash extensions though, because strip lashes really bother me, especially the ones that have the thick band. So yeah, I've taken them off. I'm sorry, but this is how the look turned out. Very nice and bronzy and glowy. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out one of my other tutorials, and don't forget to check out my everyday skincare routine of 2019, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.